Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Veo. This powerful tool allows you to effortlessly create captivating videos. You can simply describe your vision using text, and Veo will bring it to life. It also animates your favorite photos, adding movement and sound. Imagine turning a static image into a dynamic 8-second clip, complete with realistic audio. To achieve the best results with Veo, focus on crafting detailed prompts. Think of yourself as a director, guiding the AI with specific instructions. Describe your subjects, their actions, and the overall scene. Don't forget to mention desired visual styles, camera angles, and even the mood you want to convey. The more information you provide, the closer Veo will get to your creative vision. When you generate a video with Veo, expect a high-quality, 8-second clip. These videos are typically produced in a crisp 720 or 1080 pixel resolution, formatted in a standard 16:9 landscape aspect ratio. It's important to note that all videos created with Veo will feature a visible digital watermark, indicating they are AI-generated content. Veo is accessible to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, offering different levels of access. You can conveniently create and share your generated videos directly from the Gemini mobile application. This tool is perfect for a wide range of creative applications, from quick storytelling and engaging social media content to brainstorming and visualizing complex ideas. Let your imagination run wild and explore new ways to express yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.